And yeah, we're gonna walk you step by step on how to um, ideate, create, and launch your Google Ads campaigns using Sprites AI. So whether you're a seasoned veteran, you know what you're doing, you just want to get more done, or you're just starting out and you just want to tell the AI to do things for you and get customers,
Yep.
I think you're
And
going to get some useful info.
yeah, and make sure you stay till then because we have a really, really nice surprise for you.
Yes. If you
I'm
like
excited.
ads,
Yeah.
we have more ads, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Um, yeah, we'll just like wait maybe just a couple more minutes for people to pile in before kicking off the demos. Um, but we can start by just like taking a quick look at sprites and what it does and what it's about. So um, yeah, let's get right into it. So um, when you go to our website, sprites.ai, um, you'll see our prompt box up here. You'll get used to seeing this everywhere. This is like usually how you start your journey with sprites. Always think of it as just describing the job to be done. That's all you need to do to get going with sprites. No technical background needed. If you know what you're asking for exactly, like optimize this aspect of my campaigns, targeting, etc., you'll be able to do that, or like how do I even get started, right? So both of those are perfectly valid prompts to start with. To give you an example prompt you can try running, create a Google search campaign for a product, keyword research, structure ads, and launch, right? Or for another ad type, you might already have some targeting or audiences pre-built, and you just want some more creatives and launching them. Um, you can try any of those range of prompts to start with, and you always start with describing a task. Um, Sprites doesn't work like a black box. We'll see pretty soon. Like at every step of the way, you're informed on exactly how it's pulling the data that it's pulling to basically make, let's say, for a keyword ad type, we want to ground our like keyword selection and research always on actual SEO data, actual CPC data, like where is that coming from, how are the decisions being made. You can always zoom in and find that out. And then the results are always presented to you, and you can basically go back and forth with Sprites until you're happy with kind of what you see.
Yeah. It's vibe marketing. So it's like vibe coding. If you ever did it, it's the same, but you're just vibing, you're marketing, and that's it. And the best part about sprites, my favorite at least, is that once you connect your integration, we can fetch like all of your data, any data. If you so it doesn't matter really if you already ran some ads.
About like the details of what types of automations you can build, etc. We have a pretty thorough FAQ section on our homepage that you can visit. When you just sign up for Sprites, usually you go through a onboarding basically flow with our product. And the intention here is that our AI actually learns about your business and tries to cater both its recommendations in terms of like what questions you should be asking and where you want to start from, uh, grounding it in your acquisition channels that are relevant to you and the types of basically performance marketing tasks that you need to run. So let's say for like a SaaS business that might be very like lead gen heavy, it's gonna figure that out and like frame everything in that light versus an e-commerce business that's very kind of like sale conversion driven, right?
Yeah,
So
fully personalized for you. So it's your agent. We know everything we can about your business. So yeah.
once you go through the onboarding, you usually end up in our dashboard, and there's some suggestions that are basically grounded on what we think you should start with. And then once you start actually building out workflows and getting things done, this place fills up with your repeatable workflows or your most important threads that you want to revisit and build off of. And as Anna mentioned, we have these integrations that come up in the workflows, and if you hook it up, you don't need to basically do anything repetitive to have the AI be able to access your Facebook data, etc. So you can pick your like Facebook ad account, Facebook page, pin all those things, and the AI's context for your business plus access to like your specific data and your specific ad setup means everything just gets done without getting you in the loop. Um,
Yeah.
cool. Without further ado, do you want
Yeah,
to give it a
I wanted to
shot?
mention that we have a couple different agents, but we're not gonna cover all of it today, only ads. So yeah, but you feel free to explore. It's pretty good. I like it. So yeah, maybe.
Yeah, if you're feeling adventurous when you sign up, you can go to the other agents. But since you all are here for ads-based workflows, we're gonna keep it focused on ads.
Yeah.
Cool. Anna, you wanna
Yep.
drive? We got Slack down there, so I think we should be all good.
Cool. Okay. Um, where should we start? We have. Oh, okay. That was a secret. Almost revealed it. So, um, let's start with this one.
Cool. So I
Oops.
think, yeah, that's the other browser. So what I'll do is I'll open it up in the same browser the demo feed is based on, and we can go from there. So I guess just for context, we're pulling up like a uh, existing workflow of the
Yep.
Google Ads Agent, and we're gonna walk through it together.
Yeah. I wanna show you today like the real work. So it's like real ads that I created for us some time ago. So it's all very real. We tested it ourselves. So usually how it starts is that I want to analyze my existing campaigns on Google Ads, and it's one of my favorite features about it because you really don't have to go to the Google Ads. I I hate the UI and everything about it really. So I just connect it once and then yeah, I just ask, okay, how my ads are doing, fetch all the data, give me some recommendations, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, and I just chat with it, You don't have to know how to use it. That's the beauty of it. So, analyze my enabled Google Ads campaigns. And it found all of them. Yeah, I had a lot of them before. So, but only a few of them are enabled. So it has all of the data here. One sec, I'm sure it's somewhere. Okay, so it does the. Actually, let's show the workflow, how it works. So you can
I think
always.
you might want to zoom in on the workflow view. It's
Yeah,
probably hard to
okay.
read.
So it's not a black box, as Siamak mentioned before. So we do step-by-step stuff, step-by-step flows, and you can always look into the results of each node. So for example, here, this is my campaign. I can see all of the impressions, clicks, everything about it. And yeah, there are all of them that are enabled are here, and it's always a first step for me to just
Yeah.
check on it, how it's going, blah blah. But I'm not a Google Ads specialist. I don't know what it means. Like, is it good? Is it bad? What's going on? So it gives me the overview after it fetched the data. It analyzed it, also gave me the result of it, and it's actually the result of the whole workflow that you can see here.
Yeah. So when you speak to the AI on the left-hand panel, right?
Yeah.
And it starts doing things, usually it either takes like very short iterative actions,
Yeah.
or it goes and does like a big whole kind of like workflow, like Anna mentioned.
And just a small one.
And
Only 2 nodes.
yeah, only a couple nodes, like fetching some
Some
performance
of them
data.
are scary, to be honest.
Yeah.
But if you really want to automate something like step by step stuff, go for it. But
Yeah, if you like big complex graphs, you can definitely
yeah,
make those,
yeah.
but it's pretty much like on its own decision matrix. Like when is it gonna do a like more in